Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel. If you're returning to my channel, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new, thank you for watching today. Today's video will be a technique I call making roux. And the roux that we'll be using today for the gravy will be a brown roux because I like color in my gravy. Alright, now let's get to the video and I hope you enjoy.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till this here.
A roux consists of flour and fat cooked to the desired color to use in other things like sauces, gravies, stews. It can be used to make a volatile sauce, a bechamel that can be used to make a mornay sauce. A mornay sauce is a bechamel sauce with cheese added, and people use that to make some of their macaroni and cheese dishes. Okay, for me, I'd like to use olive oil and the flour. I brown that. And then for the liquid, to make the gravy, I'll be using some fat drippings, some pan drippings, some water, and some wine. Alright, let's get back to the video, and I hope you enjoy.
Santa, sleigh bells ringing and my friends by my side, but it's not the same. Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight. But his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my
Here you can add the seasoning of your choice. I chose to use white pepper, parsley flakes, and Himalayan pink salt. Okay, back to the video.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everything.
When storing your gravy, take a piece of cling wrap or plastic wrap and place it directly on the surface of the gravy. This will prevent your getting a skin on the surface. Back to the video.
Making our Christmas memories.
Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video, give me a like, that's a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, why don't you consider subscribing to my channel? If you are a subscriber, don't forget to hit that notification bell so your notifications are turned on and you'll be notified when I have a new video. Well, thank you for visiting me today, and I hope you return for the very last week of December. And I hope you have a blessed day. And as always, in closing, many blessings and much favor. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hope to see you again soon. Goodbye, my angels, my dears.